Oh, geez, dude. Serious. Oh, serious one, Tomas.
Let me grab it.
Dude. What's up, guys? I'm Cameron Jonas. We're down here at the harbor. About to do a little fishing. I'm here with my buddy Tomas, and as per usual, we're going to be fishing the hookup baits today. Our bigger setup, we got the 4-inch, 3/8 ounce hookup baits. It's along with the Slayer, the 3-inch, 1/4 ounce. It's a little green sardine smelt pattern here. So we're going to be walking along the docks, pitching, flipping, having a little competition on who can catch more fish. So it should be fun. Everything on the hookup baits, so let's see what we can do. Alrighty, first drop, very first drop of the morning. Ooh, this guy at the chartreuse, 1/4 ounce, 3-inch. Pretty nice one. Right on. Hookup baits. There we go. 6-pound test. It's a hell of a fight. Oh, jeez, dude. Serious. Oh. Hookup baits. See that? Time and time again. It's unbelievable. It's about a 2.5. Maybe 3, maybe a little smaller. I don't know. We're fishing the 3/8 ounce hookup baits, 4-inch, 4.5-inch, and that's a pretty nice one. So, right on. We're gonna throw it back.